Look. Look. Just rub your hand in front of its face when he pulls it out. Look at him!
Is there anything I can carry all this over with?
Let him go!
He'll end up breaking it laying on it.
It's a
Let him go!
monk.
Let him go, Bubba.
Look! Whoa! Look at your monkey!
Oh, guys, I got stuff here.
Go get
Hey,
it,
what are
Bryson.
you doing? Stop.
Oh!
No, it's not. They're candies.
Oh, look at him! Look at your monkey! Look at him! What is that?
There, give him his monkey. There it is.
Don't start opening stuff and candies yet.
Can at least open my Hot Wheels?
No!
You have to take all the stuff over so you can open it at your desk so you don't get stuff scattered over.
Can I at least have a bag to put on my stuff in?
We will get a bag. Look at your mom.